Hello mates, welcome to Full Stack Java Developer. I am Kiran Jadhav here. In this session, I will teach you here how to install Postman API. Then see Postman API is a API testing tool. Now simply come up with the Chrome browser and type here Postman API download. Then see this is the official web page. We are going to download the Postman API here. Then simply click on Windows 64-bit here. It will start with the download. It will be depends on your internet speed. Like in my local Postman downloaded successfully, then simply go ahead and just click on show in folder, and there we are just going to start with the installation process. See, Postman downloaded successfully here. Now simply double click here. It will start with the installation process. Then see Postman API, it is API testing tool. Mostly in industry there is available two tools, like one is Postman, second one is available Swagger also. Then Postman have unique features available. That's why mostly corporates they are using Postman API. Then if you don't want to like sign up here, then you not need to worry about to create your account. Simply go ahead with the continue without an account also. Simply click on that. Once you click there, actually the next step you will be able to see here, like this is the next window available. Now simply click on open lightweight API client. See, this way you will be able to see the next window, and this is the actual window available. Here you are going to test your APIs, right? Then whatever you have available like HTTP, then /localhost. If you are using localhost, then you can pass such APIs here, whatever API you have available. For more details, you can follow our Spring Boot playlist. You will get the more clarity. And if you have available any external API, you can simply pass the URL and just send the request. And here you will be able to see all the HTTP requests as well. Get, post, put, patch, delete. There is available hidden options as well, but mostly we are using those 5 HTTP methods. Get for read the data, post for save the fresh data, put for modify existing data, like update data you can simply say, patch for partial updation, and delete for delete the data. Like such a way we are going to use Postman API for API testing. Yeah, then here we done with the installation process. Then I don't want to create this session more complex. Then thanks for watching this video. Please do like, share, subscribe the channel to get more updates, and see you in next video.